Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. As you already know that Bahia College has decided for the online classes during lockdown. My name is Sumaira and I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to study about the articles. What are the articles? There are 3 articles: a, the, an. Where we use them? In English alphabets there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and the other alphabets are called consonants. A is used in front of a singular countable noun, a person, animal or thing, which are not specific. We don't use A before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., A comes before the noun. For example, a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, a lesson, a website. All these words are starting with the consonant alphabet, so we use A before a noun that is starting with a consonant. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, N comes before the noun. For example, an umbrella, an owl, an image, an or, an enemy, an author, etc. All these words are starting with the vowel sound, so we use here an. Normally we consider A and N as one. So before one thing we use A or an, and we can't use them before plural noun or the uncountable noun. The. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. The is used for the unique or something specific which is not usual. The sun, the moon, the earth, the rain. All these words are starting with the because these are specific. We use A and the. When we speak about something for the first time, we use A and N. When we don't know which person, place or thing it is, we use A or N. It means that sometimes when we introduce something for the first time, we use A and N. When we speak about something that we already know about, we use the. When we speak about something after the first time, we use the. These are the rules which you will use when you do exercise on your textbooks, page number 27. We use A before words that begin with a consonant: a girl, a clock, a lamp. And before A, E, I, O, U sounds, which are the vowel sounds, we use N before the nouns which are going to start with the vowels. The is used before unique objects: the sun, the sky, the moon, before the names of the mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. Before the names of the books: the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Now we come towards a worksheet. Fill in the blanks with A, N or the. Dash bird is flying in dash sky. A bird is flying in the sky. A bird, we use here A because B is consonant, and before sky we use the because sky is specific. Dash earth goes down round dash sun. The earth goes round the sun. Both words are specific. Earth and sun both are specific, so we use here the. Take dash umbrella when you go out in dash rain. Take an umbrella. Umbrella is starting with the vowel sound, so we use here an. And before rain we use the because rain is a specific and a unique. Dash astronaut can go to dash moon. An astronaut can go to the moon. Because astronaut is starting with the vowel sound and moon is the specific. Dash old man cannot become a young boy again. An old man cannot become the young boy again. An old man cannot become a young boy again. And old, because old is starting with the vowel sound O, so we use here an, and Y is the consonant, so we use here A. An old man cannot become a young boy again. Now students, it's time to fill the exercise which is on page number 27. Keep in mind the rules which I have already told you, that we use a and an when we are going to introduce new idea, and we use the when we have already knowledge about the thing which we are talking before. Father, where's your mother? Alina, she is baking dash cake. She is baking a cake, because here she is introducing the first time that mother is baking the cake, so we use here a. Father, when will dash cake be ready? Here we use the. When will the cake be ready? I am hungry, because we already know that mother is baking the cake, so we use here the. Nida, I have dash problem with my homework. Will you help me? Here we are getting the knowledge for the first time that there is a problem with the nida, so we use here word I have a problem. Mother, now let's see what's dash problem, what's the problem. Here we use the because we already know that Nida has a problem and her mother is talking about the problem, because now she got knowledge about the problem. Nasir has dash flat near the park. For the first time introducing, so we use here a. Nasir has a flat near the park. Dash flat is very nice. Now we use here the. The flat is very nice. Hira, there's dash man talking to Sana. Who is he? There's a man, because for the first time we are introducing that there is a man. There's a man talking to Sana. Who is he? Amir, don't you know? Dash man is her uncle. Here we use the word the, article the. The man is her uncle. Now exercise C is your home task and you will do it yourself. What did we learn today? We learned about articles a and an, which are also known as indefinite articles used to introduce new concepts and non-specific. The, which is also known as definite article, used for something already mentioned and specific. I hope students you got the idea, and now you are able to solve your exercise. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.